Good evening, everybody. On the phone with my brother, Dr. Michael P. Grego.
How's everybody doing?
Yeah, I don't think there's hardly two people here yet, but there will be. You know that. But yeah, Mike is here. What are we going to go over tonight, my brother?
Nadex.
Nadex option trading. They are binary options. What does buy mean? Binary.
2.
Yeah. So it's win or lose, yes or no. You're either above it or you're not. They call it binary to confuse people, to make it sound important. If they said you win or lose options, how would that sound?
I'm not a big winner. I don't gamble.
Yeah. So that's what they should call it, though. It's win or you lose. There is no in between. You should like that. There's no gray area at all. What's today's date, Mike? This is the 11th. Let's see. This is Wednesday, 10/11/20. Happy heavenly birthday to Uncle Benny.
Yeah.
Our uncle, yep. Wednesday, PM signal call out. So I got to do some call outs, and then we're going to do the Nadex training. We got to do this all quick, guys. We don't have a lot of time. If you don't catch us right now, you can rewatch this one. This one isn't going to be more than 25, 30 minutes at the most long. Am I a financial? Are you a financial advisor? Financial advisor. No, neither of us are or want to be, right?
No.
That made me laugh when I said, no, we're not. All right, let's see what we have here. We have 24 people. Can we get more than 7 thumbs up from 24 people? God. And they wonder why I get annoyed with them.
Okay, there you go. Got 8.
Thanks, bro. It doesn't count when we do it. All right, fine. All right, we're going to go live on Ticker Talker now, and then we're going to dig right into it. I'm going to whip through a whole bunch. I'll probably ask you, Mike, if you can read a few of these charts as we go. So if you can, awesome.
Yeah,
if you can,
absolutely.
I'm going to whip through them. They're going to be fast. This is going to be Fast and Furious. You know those shitty movies? Well, that's what we're going to be imitating. Fast.
Yeah, he's a billionaire from those shitty movies, though.
Yeah, well, we're about to be billionaires from our own shitty stuff that we do. Is it live? Is it live? Yeah, I think we are live. Here we go. And we are live on TikTok. That's all I need to see. Okay, no one there on TikTok. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Everyone on YouTube, if you'd head over to TikTok, that would be awesome. 31 of you, that's great. Good evening. Let's see, who do we have first? Jason Ortiz, number 1. Jay Cochran, number 1. Jay, what you doing on here, bro? Jay Cochran, remember who he is, Mike?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Shannon Ivory, great evening, Shannon. What's that, Mike?
I said he's a boss.
Yeah, he's boss man. He calls me boss man, but we're about to catch him because we have something up our sleeves that no one else knows about. Can you all hear my brother? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm pulling it off. You're pretty loud. They probably think I'm talking to myself.
I know, right? We sound exactly the same. We don't look the same, though.
Thank God you're older. Robel, good evening. Julius, good evening. Robel, bless you. Marco, good evening. Dr. Grego. We're on the phone with Dr. Michael P. Grego, the greatest chiropractor to ever live. He specializes in insulin. He's forgot more stuff than most doctors know. I'm allowed to say that because my brother, fucking genius. Jeremiah, good evening. Crystal Hudson, good evening. Driver, good evening. Where are we at? Driver, good evening. Robel, good evening. Paul, good evening. Zero, what's up, Kevin? What's up, Kev? Robel, Kev deserves more than fun. I agree with you, Robel. I deserve more. I'll never get it, though. Boost, good evening. Team Lane. Hey, what's up, Tracy? Happy to help anyway. Thank you, Tracy. Nadex for the win. Yep, Tracy loves, by the way, Tracy is our Nadex queen. She loves the Nadex trading. She loves it, Mike. So there you go. Now, Nadex, binary options, we'll get to in a second. Geo, good evening, Anthony Villalobos. Oh, what's up, Anthony? I haven't seen you in a minute. Marco, what's up? Geo, yes. What's up, Cy Vang? What's up, Shannon? We can hear him. There you go. Good evening, Coach. Good evening, Jacob. Jacob Silva is the gentleman who makes our cool-looking neon signs. He has them for sale, by the way. If you ever want to get some, you can go right to his website. I'll pull it up maybe tomorrow. Doing the dang thing, you know. Okay, cool. What's up? Let's see. Hazelnut, Sunshine. Good evening, Zim. Good evening, RT. Good evening, James. James Sopism. Good evening, Dr. Fausto Pineda. Okay, Dr. Fausto. Good evening, Doc. All right, good evening, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. What you're looking at currently, Mike, can you see the screen or no?
I can.
All right, What you're looking at are my last 20 trades. You're going to look inside of here. You're going to see a $6,000 trade, $415 trade, $2,000 trade. These are in chronological order from yesterday. There are 20 trades. We have a loss of 1,700. That's when I got snagged in. I had so many, you're going to laugh at this one, Mike. I had so many buy stops and sell stops open, I forgot which one was where. So we got suckered in on a buy, and this was a sell. So I didn't even see the trade for about, oh my God, for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then I realized, oh, fuck, it's going the wrong way. What the fuck? And then I was in the wrong one. So in that particular trade, I think that $1,700 one, we end up making either the 2 or the 6,000 on. So anyway, made our money back. Minus $46, $1,860, $12,000, $12,000, $5,000, $50, $56, and $27. Those are my last 20 trades in chronological order. Meaning, so people can say, oh, well, where's your trades? Where's your trades? Where's your trades? Where's your thing? Or listen to this, Mike. You want to hear how stupid some people are? They go, well, we want to see your, we want your password to go into your history, into your account.
That's a HIPAA violation.
Are people fucking nuts?
Yeah, that's a HIPAA violation. You can't do that.
Well, in medical field, right? And oh, by the way, I do have one trade going only. It's gold. I have the buy stop in gold. I would have still been in the buy stop on US 30 stuff, but I got tapped out because I put my take profits too close, which happens to get too greedy. I have one trade open right here, $2,700 gold. And there you go. So that's my last 20 trades. Current trade open. No other trades waiting. What's up, Azar? Azar is the gentleman, Mike, who bought the system for his son, not that, for his nephew, Compster. And he bought the system for his 19-year-old nephew. What do you think about that, my brother?
That's beautiful. That's helping others.
He's totally changing the trajectory of his 19-year-old nephew's financial future by changing it from doom and gloom and working 9-to-5 jobs to financial freedom by the time he's 21. And quite frankly, probably a millionaire well on the way to it by the time he's 21.
Sweet.
Opinion. Yeah.
Nice. That's what it's about.
It is. So I hope everyone out there listens to that.
That's where happiness comes from too, by the way, helping others.
Amen.
So.
Yep. Amen. My gold buy has been open. Kev has 2 gold buys open since Friday. There you go, Kev. My gold buy has only been open since 10/9, 2 days. Oh yeah, me and you both, bro. So there you go. All right, Mike, we're going to do the call-outs quickly because we have to. I just spent too much time there. We're going to go ahead and do, we're going to start with oil. We're going to run through them faster than you can probably even keep up, to be honest with you, but do your best. Look at my chart. If you can see my screen, Mike, please look at that right now because here we go. We're going to go through these as quick as lightning. 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. This is US oil, 30 minutes. This is we called that out. Did I not call? I 100%, I'm not even asking you guys. I 100% called this 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop to the blue line this morning on US oil. I know I did. Anyone here wants to chime in, please do, but whatever. That was an easy call. Nothing now. Daily buy, daily, weekly buy. Daily, you don't want to know. I don't even want to say that with oil. So we're done. The higher the price of oil, Mike, the higher the gasoline price. And you know what they do? So when it goes up, you pay more. When they go down, they don't lower it as much as ever. And then when they go down more, they don't lower it hardly at all. Then it goes back, it goes up higher than ever. That's how they're doing it. They're a bunch of scam artists, but whatever. All right, XRP, 1 minute. Buy stop to the blue line has already occurred. Buy stop, 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute blue line, XRP. Damn, it's getting crushed. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15, 15, 30. Oh, here we go. 30 minutes. It's going to keep going up. It's forming a 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Where's it going to? 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Don't know. I don't see a spot. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Daily, weekly sell, monthly buy. You better hope that this weekly sell doesn't go to this blue line, my brother. That would put XRP somewhere under 20 cents.
Oh,
we don't want to hear that. So here we go. But it's a monthly buy. If we can skip over the weekly, we're going to kick fucking ass. So it's going to go up to over $2. But anyway, we got to get past that one first. All right. We have Ethereum. Life on Ethereum, 1 minute. Then we're going to do Nadex trading after this. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy. Yep. That's what it looks like. 1 minute. 1 minute. No. 5 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute. No. Hold on. Where the fuck is this thing going to? No, it's already there. That's why I didn't see it. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop Ethereum. 5, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop Ethereum. 4 hour, nothing. 4 hour, Daily, nothing. Weekly, oh shit. Weekly sell stop to the blue line, Ethereum. Monthly buy stop, Ethereum. Bitcoin will be the exact same. They always run together. They're like two boys that live or ride or die or whatever. 1 minute buy. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. 15 minute forming, 30 minute. 15 minute, 30 minute sell stop, Bitcoin. 4 hour buy, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy is forming. It's going to take forever. Don't do that one. It'll take forever. Weekly sell. Well, if the weekly sell holds true, you will see Bitcoin go down to 15,000 and probably see Bitcoin down 8,000. Good luck with that. Weekly sell Bitcoin to the blue line. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin, which will go up way past the 70,000 eventually. GBP JPY, usually draw that out for people we ain't got no time. GBP JPY, 1 minute. 1 minute. When sell stop to the blue line. GBP JPY, 5 minute buy stop. GBP JPY, nothing, 30, 1 hour, 30. We went up today, see, I told you. 30, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily sell. 4 hour daily sell stop. Weekly, daily, weekly buy stop. And that's all I'm doing on GBP JPY. UDCHEF is the complete opposite of EURUSD. You can see this is a buy stop forming on UDCHEF, USD, CHF, 4 hour. You're going to see it on the EURUSD, the complete opposite. What do you see right here, Mike? Can you tell them real quick? Is this a buy stop? Or
Yeah, it's a buy stop. That's with a block break.
Nope, sorry. Look right now after it changes. Sorry. You're correct.
Oh, that's a sell stop.
Correct. You're correct on both, Mike. Very good. So that's
with the block break, right? Yeah.
1 minute. EURUSD. Let's see what's going on. Buy stop. Where's she blowing to? EURUSD buy stop already did to 5 minute. Already clicked in again. 5 minute, 30 minute. Yep, 30 minute was a buy. Yep, that's really good. 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute. We hit the 30 minute blue line. Look for any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop on EURUSD to the 1 hour blue line overnight, the next day, whatever it's going to do it. 1 hour, 4 hour daily. It's going to be a 4 hour daily sell. 4 hour daily sell stop, EURUSD. Weekly. There's no fucking way that could have been 30 minutes. Was that 30 fucking minutes? Oh, it's still 8 o'clock time. Never mind. We're good. Daily, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line of EURUSD. SPX, 1 minute. Let's see what's going on. SPX. Boy, do I got exciting news coming for you guys on this shit. 1 minute, 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute. Oh, I don't care. It's been going up all day. Am I correct on this? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We hit the 1 hour. We hit the 1 hour blue line of SPX. That was one of our write-ups. Oh, nice. Well, there you go. Let me see. Bach break equals not NAS. Let me see what I wrote out here. 1 hour buy stop SPX to the SPX and US 30 minute. Oh, we're even better. We blew way the fuck past that then. Oh, yeah. Now we hit the 1 hour. Beautiful. Look for unofficially. I'm going to write this. I'll make this official. Okay. Keep playing the buys. Don't give a fuck. It's after I shouldn't be doing shit anyways. But let's go ahead and say you are. 1 minute sell stop unofficial. Look for 1 minute sell stop. How you're going to play this 1 minute sell stop on NAS, SPX, and US 30 is this. You're going to wait for either NAS, US 30, or SPX to come down and cross its blue line. It will happen by 9:30 a.m. tomorrow morning or come close to doing it towards it. 1 minute sell stop. Let me mark this out because I know I'm going to hear whiners tomorrow. You didn't say it was only going to go towards it, towards blue lines. Okay? 1 minute sell stop towards line. So what that means is you wait, Mike, to wait for the US 30 to pass this blue line. Then you look for 1 minute sell stops of NAS and SPX to their blue line. Easy peasy trade, no big deal. That's what you're going to do. Okay, now, next. We already did it. 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, 30-minute 1 hour buy to the blue line worked out. 4 hour sell stop, SPX. That's all you need to know. NAS, 1 minute. Same thing. We're going to look for a sell later on. 5 minute. 5 minute already was a buy. Look at this beautiful 15-minute. Boy, I'm going to smush you if you didn't see that, Uncle Mike. 15-minute buy stop, 1 hour to the 1 hour blue line. 4 hour sell stop now. That's all you got. US 30. 1. US 30. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line eventually tonight. Don't give a fuck. Is this going to happen? Whatever they bring up, Mike, comes down. Whatever they bring up during the day will come down. Now, tomorrow, after they bring it down, play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute sell buy stop to the 1 hour blue line. You're going to see US 30 complete its mission to go to the 1 hour blue line tomorrow. That's my prediction. What do you think? 4 hour sell stop, SPX, NAS, and US 30. All right, we're done. Gold. We got to do gold. Gold. Oh, we made some money. We're still in the money on gold. Gold, 1 minute. Buy, but I don't like that. It's going to regroup overnight too. 5 minute too late, 15-minute buy. We've been in this trade, a couple of us, for 2 days now. And there it is. We hit the 30-minute. Nope. 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15-minute, 30-minute, any one of those that you see to the 1 hour blue line of gold. It's going to go up and touch that tomorrow too. 4 hour sell stop, gold, daily, weekly buy stop gold. And that's all you need to know. We're good. All right. Now back to doing Nadex. System can be used for anything. Buy it. Can use system for futures. One day trader. It can be used on Tradevite. And we're about to go over Nadex right now. Here's your Nadex, but you can use it on futures on Tradevite. And then you make 10 times as much as I make on these Nadex options, these binary options right here. I'm up $325 in my demo. This is demo only account. I'm going to have to open this up. I don't know what people are going to do. Everybody on TikTok, you're going to have to go to YouTube to really see this. I have 2 trades open, Mike. We're up over here. If I can scoosh that over. All right, we're in Nadex. So I'm going to teach Mike and everybody how to do this and where to go. We're up $325. So if this is in the futures, E-minis on Tradevite, it'd be $3,250, Mike. That's the difference.
Oh, my gosh.
Now, thank you for speaking up, Zim, by the way. Took 2 praise. Hey, Ron. Good evening, Ron. He sure called the blue line Sam. Thank you, Zir. I sure did. Thank you, sir, for speaking up. Kenneth Head, good evening. Tom Gannon, hello. Yolanda, good evening. Dr. Go by the system. That's you, bro. All right, everyone head over to YouTube. I can't do anything else. You're going to have to go over there to actually see how this shit works. All right, what you do, Mike, is you type in Nadex, Nadex.com. It is an American institution, which is good and bad, but in this case, it's relatively okay. Good. So Nadex.com. Type it in. We swing over there. It opens up to Nadex. You accept their cookies. You go over to here, and I'm going to pull this over just a little bit so we can kind of see it on YouTube. You guys are going to force me to switch my angle. You come over to here. Start free demo. You see it, Mike?
Yeah.
Okay, right there. Are you looking?
Yep.
Okay, start free demo. So you go to Nadex. These are called binary options. I'm teaching you all how to do binary options. It also works on futures. You can apply the same thing anywhere you want. Good evening, David McKenzie. All right, so we're going to go start free demo. Click. It's going to come over to here. Demo account sign up. And what do you think you do? First name, last name, password, blah, blah, blah. Now, the greatest thing I can tell you about Nadex is their demo account is exactly like the real trading account. It's not kind of like some places you go to, it's kind of. This is exactly. So when you see the real account, it's the exact same thing as a demo. Now, look, it opens up just to this. When you come in, it'll look just like this. Demo over here, open live thing here. Okay. Binary options, calls, spreads, and knockouts. Don't ever do knockouts. That's just gambling. Okay. So we're going to go over to binary options. You see that, my brother?
Yeah. Binary options. Got it.
Then under here, you have indices, which is what we trade a lot of. Forex, which is ERUSD, and we trade a lot of those. Commodities, which is gold, oil, and silver, which we actually trade a lot of. We're in a gold one. So commodities, gold, Forex, EURUSD, which is the best one to actually use because they have them expiring. Look at that. Pretty much every hour or two throughout the whole entire day. No other pair, no other indice, nothing else does that. See the indices? Daily, weekly. They might have like a 11 o'clock one or something, but the only one that has all of them are called Forex, and that's the ERUSD pair. So it has everything from weekly to daily, 3 a.m., 3 p.m., 11 a.m., 7 a.m., 3 a.m., 11 p.m., 9 p.m., 8 p.m., all day long they have them. Why does that matter? Because if we're doing, you should run them on 15-minute, 30-minute, or 15-minute, 1 hour, or 30-minute, 1 hour, meaning you want them to expire or make their move today, but we're going to pull out a weekly trade, if that makes sense. So we're going to do weekly trades only. We like to get in these ones Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, preferably. Okay, so that's all. So how do we open up and what are we opening up? Binary options, my brother said, means 2, right, Mike?
That's right.
So in our case, it means win or lose. So either you're above a certain price point or you're not. If you're above it on a buy, you win. If you're not above it on a buy, you lose. Good evening, Kim the Candle Lady. So does that make sense to you, Mike?
Yes, perfect sense.
Okay. Now let's go ahead and go over here. And let's see what would you like to trade, Mike? A commodity? Would you like to trade gold, ERUSD or indices. Damn, something's flying the fuck up over here. Hold on a second.
ERUSD.
ERUSD it is. Hold on a second. What is going on? What is this? Hold on.
What's going on?
Booming. Hold on a second. I don't know which one this is. Something's moving like a motherfucker. Wall Street? It can't be one of our things. Hold on. Is this crude oil? No, definitely not crude oil. Wall Street? Yes, it is. Let me see Wall Street 30. Hold on, Mike. 1 second.
Okay.
Actually, those buys, those 1 minute buys are kicking fucking ass if that's accurate. Hold on. We need to zoom in a little. Oh, yeah. Well, if you took the 1 minute buys and didn't listen to my advice for the 1 minute sells, no, but you could still do it. It was a 5 minute buy. So that's all the same. You're in the money on that US 30, but whatever. Okay, back to what we're doing. All right, so we're on Nadex.com. It opens up to this. Mike wants to do, what did you say you wanted to do? Forex? ERUSD, right?
ERUSD, yeah.
So ERUSD, we open it up. Now, we have all these different time periods. I want us to only, until you get a little more better, I only want you to do weekly ones. So we have, this is your expiry, it's called. You have 1 day and 18 hours, so basically 2 days, for these options to expire. If you look up here on the 7 to 9 p.m., you have 50 minutes and 56 seconds till they expire. Expire means when they're done. They're done. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So what we're looking for is the weekly one. So we're going to click on the weekly. And now we're going to go down here and we see all these numbers. What does red mean in our business, Mike? Up or down?
Sell stop.
So we think it's going to go down, right? Blue in this case, I don't know why they don't use green, but blue in their case means up. So you buy the red one if you think it's going to go down. The blue one if you think it's going to go up. Make sense?
Yes.
So down, up. All right. So that's that. Now we're going to go ahead and do our analysis again on ERUSD. Let me pull that back out of there. On ERUSD, we're going to see what we really think is going to happen over the next, well, if we see anything, we can do it. So we're going to bring it up here. We're going to come over to here. We're going to do a 5 minute. The 1 minute buy stop I called in ERUSD is definitely in the money now. You see that? We called it back here and you're way up. You're up about, way up. 3-4 pips. I forgot it's 1 minute and it's an ERUSD thing. Anyway, all right. So we're going to look at our 15-minute options. So what do we want to see in our 15-minute options? We want to see a 15, 30-minute either buy or sell. So what are we looking at? It's already up. So we can't make any calls on this. So let me tell you what we're looking at here. So how do I know that that's the case? Well, this is the 15-minute. Then we're going to open up ERUSD down here. And we're going to open it up on the 30. And we're going to open it up on the 1 hour. Doesn't matter either way. All right, so look. This is the 1 hour. Do you see our blue line where I'm pointing to, Mike? Is it up high or down low?
It's up high.
So we're expecting a buy stop. So let's go ahead and click our little thing over here and see what we can see on this. If I can get it over there enough. Right there. Put this over here a little bit. There it is. I can do it right there, actually. Right here. Okay. So now let's take a look. All right. So right now, as we look, we can see our 15-minute line. Is it up high up here or down low? Right there.
Right there. It's up high.
So there's no trade to be had. The 15-minute right now is nothing we can do for what we want to do with what we're trying to do. So let's go back a little bit and look. Where is it at right now when you look right next to this 2? And I'm going to point to it right here. Is it down low or up high right here?
It's down low.
Yeah. So this would have been the perfect time because number 1, blue line is up high. Number 2, the blue line dipped down. Number 3, you're looking at a buy stop with a
block break.
Boom, baby. Now there is something more powerful, but no one knows about it but me, you, and Terry and Bree. So that's all we got, Precious. So that's all we got. So this is a 4. This is your buy stop with the block break. This is a buy stop. You put it above the yellow line. Did it go up since then or down?
It went up.
Yeah, so you would have made money. So if you bought an option, we could have did it. But now we can't buy an option on ERUSD. So now I'm going to do the same thing for SPX. Let's see what we got. All these are going to be horrible because you shouldn't be trading this time of day because it's too late. Same exact thing. You can't do it with SPX. Can't do it with NAS. It's already broke up. The reason why you can't do it, Mike, is because the blue line's already high. US 30. Yep, blue line's already high. Maybe gold. I doubt it. Nope, not even gold. See, gold, they're all the same. You see the pull down right there? Maybe oil. I doubt it. Okay, oil's low. Let's check oil over here if this is high on the 1 hour. No, it's low too. So anything we can do, we can't. So we'll do a smaller time frame. How about that? Let's see something. We'll go here, and we're going to try here. See if we can just find one that's reasonably good. Okay, let's see if this is a 15-minute buy. It is. Okay, this is reasonably good. All right, we're on gold. 5-minute up here, gold 15-minute down here. We see that the gold blue line right here is up high. Tell me when you see that, Mike, please.
Yep.
What's up, Jonathan? Okay. Then down here, we see that it's down low at number 2. Okay. So this is gold 5-minute. And then we have our pink line dropping down number 3. And then do we see a buy stop right here? Ooh, we do not. So we don't see a buy stop, so we can't even do that one. Do we see a buy stop down here? No, we do not. Okay, well, we're trying. We'll pretend like we do. All right, now we're going to go over to our thing. So what you got to do is find the right one, Mike. You can't do these options just on anything. They have to be the right one. So you can do only buys with binary options. No, Jay, we're going to go over sells here in a second. You can do buy or sells. That's why they have the red and the blue. You can do either or. So let's pretend we're on gold. We're going to go under commodities, weekly gold, and then here you go. So if we think it was going to go up, which we do, we would buy this one. It's not great because they know it's going to go up, by the way. That's why they have it at 57. And then, or if you thought it was going to go down, you'd buy this one. All right?
Okay.
No, Team Lane. Tracy, I'm not talking about knockouts. I won't do it. Tracy wants me to go over knockouts. Oh, shit. See, this is the one mistake. If I was in my real live account and I did that one mistake right there, you can open up your you don't want to do that ever, 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 ever. Now, knockouts, what she's talking about is right here. And then, yeah, see, this is, I would absolutely not get into it. She can cheat you knockouts if you want. I'm not doing the spreads either. I just do the simple binary ones. It's all you want to do. She can do it later on. I'm not touching that shit. So let's go back to gold. Under our gold right here, gold weekly. And then again, we're going to come right down to here. If we think it's going to be going down, what color do we choose? Mike, do you remember?
Yeah. Sorry, go ahead. I'm reading what she said.
Okay. And you would choose red. And if it's going up, you would choose
blue.
Okay, so there you go. Let's just say that we thought it was going to go up. We're going to come over to here. Right there. And we're going to, let's see if I'm going to go ahead and do the buy on this one, 57. So
now, you're putting it in at a specific price point, but it's going to last all week, correct?
Well, to the end of Friday. Well, till.
Well, that's okay. All right. So the end of the week. So that's why I want to get on Monday or Tuesday, basically.
That's why you want Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday if you find the right setup early. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Okay, so they're telling us now. Let's take a look at what we just put in. We're telling us the max loss is $67 per one contract and 75 cents. The max profit is $42.25. So that's okay. So if you bought 10 of these, you can lose $680. If you buy 10 of them, you can win $420. The difference comes in. I never hold it to the end. I always take the profit and get the fuck out of Dodge. And then you always never take the loss. Ever do you get the full $68 loss, ever. So I would take a loss at maybe $20 per contract, 30 at the most. So that's all. So you know, even though it says a $68 max loss, if you never say by Friday it was below where we thought it was going to be, you lose $68.25 per contract. Make sense?
Okay. But you never want to wait that long.
No, never. You just take it out. Yep. She's saying exit anytime. That's what you do. So once you open these contracts up, say we buy 2 of them. Let's just say for even math's sake, we buy 10 of them. There you go. It would cost us, I forgot, it was $470, so $500 to buy these. Max loss would be $682. Max gain would be $417. You hit place order. Since this is a demo, we're going to do it. Pop. It's going to go in. Your contract to buy at 50, we already lost money. Already went up to $58. Came in, and we're going to come over to here. And if I can show you what it looks like, we did gold buy right here. We're minus $60. That's the cost to get in, and they do their little spread and shit like that. It's $1 per contract. So right here. Now we can set profit on these. And since we think it's going to go up, right? Since we think it's going to go up, we can set a profit on this. You can't put a stop loss in, so you have to be very careful once it engages, once you're in this trade. You can set a profit for the future, right? So we can put it above. We can say once it hits, usually they give you about an $8 to $12 thing where they won't give it to you no matter how much you're in the money on. I mean, I've been right like 200 pips and they don't give a fuck. So let's just take, we put it at 77,777 right here. Boop, place this. Then when we put it in, if it even snags up there for 1 second, a split second, right? It'll engage us. Unlike Forex, where they make us wait, this thing, Nadex, if it even clicks in for 1 split second of a split hair second, they had a glitch in the system and it arched up just to give us this money. It'll close these down for us automatically and we win. Okay?
All right.
Makes sense? So that's how you can put a take profit in if you want, but you can't put a stop loss in.
Well, how do you stop it? You'll have to look at this then, so that it doesn't go past what you would have a loss to?
Yeah, I would never let it go past basically a $20 contract loss, 30 at the most. So that'd be like $300, meaning it eats. What happens with Nadex, Mike, one of the greatest things that you could ever say about it is when it does its thing, when it's in here, it absorbs the highs like against you really, really good. Okay. And it absorbs. So so for instance, let's take this off for a second. Let me move it over here. So say for instance, let's go to 1 hour. Let's move this in a little bit. Let's do US 30 since it's moving a little bit. People think this is a big movement, even though it means nothing. Watch. So they think this is huge, a movement. But anyway, so watch. This is what it does. So say you said it was going to go up from, tell me when you can see this, I'll put my arrow. From here, you thought, well, this would be a horrible entry, but say you thought it was going to go up here. You bought your contracts right here, and it determines to go down, right? It went straight down. Tell me when you can see that movement.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So say it went down on US 30, an idiot would do this trade, but whatever. Let's just say you did the wrong thing for some reason. This would go down 19 pips, 20 pips. So that'd be $200. Or if you had 10 times, that'd be $2,000 you'd lose. With the Nadex options, you'd be down maybe $10 per contract, maybe at that. They absorb the losses like a juggernaut. They don't get smashed. They take the hits and keep on ticking. You follow what I'm saying?
I don't know what you mean by absorb. Can you explain that better?
Well, instead of losing $1,000 through Forex, you'll be down $100 in Nadex. How much clearer can I be? It absorbs the losses. So when the Forex moves down and when US 30 moves down in Forex land or gold moves down in Forex against your trade, you can be $1,000 stop loss, get kicked out of your trade. Ever happened to you, Mike? And then immediately flips and goes back up again. That's exactly what I mean. In Nadex land, because it's an option, we don't give a fuck if it goes down 300 pips, as long as we know it's going to be there by the end of the week above the exact point we bought in at, we win. 1 pip.
So when you make that determination of when to cut out on your max loss, when you don't,
well, you know when it is, if you actually read the chart wrong, but how many times are you reading the chart wrong? You may enter wrong. You may actually do the wrong trade. You may put your stop loss too close, hint, hint, but you never are reading the chart wrongs, correct?
Right.
So if you're reading the charts correctly, but your stop loss takes you out all the time, do Nadex. If you're reading the charts correctly, but you get too antsy and scared and you get embarrassed and you're like, oh, fuck, I'm down $20. I'm down $50 on a trade. I got to get out. Then do Nadex. Because there is none of that. Nadex, all you have to do is be right 1 pip that it's going to be higher than where you said it was going to be. And if you're reading the charts even remotely correctly on the 15-minute, 30-minute, or 15-minute 1 hour, you can't be wrong. You're not going to be wrong. So if you have faith in the system, just let it ride. And I've been negative. Matter of fact, last week when we were doing it, we were down like $1,100. And on Friday, I was up $2,300, whatever it was. On the contract.
It flipped at the last minute.
Because that's
so the trades we're looking to do in Nadex come off the 5-minute, 15, and 30-minute charts.
That's what we started with, remember? So we logged you in, showed you what to do. After we showed you what to do, we went to the trading. I said we're looking for 15-minute up here. We're looking for 30-minute or 1 hour down here to be your base. We'll just use 1 hour. I said we couldn't find any trades because none of them were available.
Right. I just want to double check those are the trades we're looking at.
So this is the only trades you take were the 15-minute versus 30 or the 15-minute versus 1 hour. The reason why we trade these trades again for the next couple times is because this is exactly what will expire the same day. So we're going to win that day, but we have a week just in case. You know, I like to be very conservative and have backups. Well, that's a backup. So just in case it doesn't move that day, say it doesn't move today, but it moves tomorrow. Well, if you took daily options, you'd make more in your daily options. They would expire in the money. But the weekly one gives us that extra little day or two in case it takes a day or two for it to actually move.
Gotcha. So look for a Monday or Tuesday, possibly Wednesday, but Monday or Tuesday is better.
Yeah.
Jump in, right, to do your thing. Okay.
And by the way, just off the ones we did yesterday, $327 on the one plus the other. So whatever that is. So it's easy money. It's basically free money. It's free money because we know where it's going to be before it's going to be there. The system predicts the future with 100% accuracy. Whether we can read the charts with 100% accuracy is up to us, but it's 99% accurate, and it's going to be there. So this is just a way, by absorbing the losses, it means when you take a $50 loss on Nadex, on a Forex US 30 or a NAS 100, you would zero. It would be like a zero. You wouldn't even change. The option would just absorb it like it was zero. That's how cool they are. There is no movement. Very, very, very small movement. Okay. Now I have to go. So anything else on this? And I'm going to have to get rolling here really quick.
What did Patrick say? The chat is fire, people. Nadex has a demo to try.
Yeah, that's the first thing we started with, Patrick. Yes, sir. And it's an excellent, excellent one. Okay. So everybody, now some of you might have questions. You want to rewatch that video multiple times. I don't know, Mike. We'll open up your account for you and get you rolling. Let me see what gold's doing. Just make sure we're still rolling with gold.
All right. I'll show everybody my account too.
Yeah, your demo account as you go.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to go demo though, Kev.
Oh, shit. Don't you lie. You don't even know how to find. All right.
I have the greatest coach in the world. All I have to do is play the game.
Yeah, but you got to at least know how to click the buttons. All right, we're done. I'll help you best I can. All right, this chat is fire. Patrick said, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're on the phone, ending up with Dr. Mike, my brother. Hopefully everybody on TikTok caught a few things. Oh, look at that, Mike. TikTok, we're down to 8 people. See you on TikTok. Got to go. Bye, guys. All right, YouTube. Any questions on YouTube? We're going in just a second. Any questions for my brother?
Wait. Yes, coach. Okay, there you go. All I have to do is play the game. That's right.
Wow, that took forever, man. The internet must be sucking tonight, like maybe because of the rain or something. All right. Do you buy options right at the price the gold is currently at or above you believe it's going? No. You buy it right where it's currently at on these because you know where it's going to go. So you would buy a buy stop. So you pick that certain option on gold. What makes you decide on that one and not the other one? Because I told you you're going to buy it as close to the $50 mark as you can. And anything else must be to cover the max loss. It always is. They won't let you open it up if you can't. So in other words, she's saying if you have $1,000 in Nadex options, you have to have $1,000 or in the max loss. So if it's $680, you have to control $600. They won't let you open up without it. You can't. You don't get any margin with this. So you don't have a leverage. You don't have 50-to-1 leverage. Buy stop, by the way, is in the money on what is this, gold? Yeah, in gold. We need to talk about knockouts, call spreads, similar to trading the charts. The money is there. I don't like it. Why those strikes? I already told you why the strikes. Damn, solid. Definitely looking forward to Nadex. This chat is fire, people. Have a great night, Mike, says Patrick. Best coach. All I have to do is play the game. Love it. Mike, do you buy the option right price? Yep, we said that. I'd be happy to help with Nadex's Team Lane. Absolutely, Team Lane, for sure. By now, you can call in one day. We'll go over it. Is it possible to adopt me as your stepbrother? Mike, you want Rocket as your stepbrother?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Good night, Doc. Keep up, Mike, and you're going to quit practicing medicine. He already retired at the money trades. Mike's trading options, trading Forex, jumping in futures. Pretty soon. Making money, people. Thanks, Kevin. Coach Mike. There you go, Coach Mike. Dr. Coach Mike. All right, Mike. Love you. We'll go over some more stuff soon. All right, brother. Love you. Love you.
Thanks.
Thank you for coming on. Don't forget to open up your actual Nadex account then, Mike.
Doing it right now.
All right, brother. Love you, Mike.
All right. Ciao.
All right, guys. Gotta go. All right. See y'all. Bye. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Have a good evening. Yay, that went quick.